I wanna see the light.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my prepoo. In case you don't know what a prepoo is, it's just like a treatment you do before shampooing your hair, so the shampoo doesn't strip out all the goodies and nutrients in your hair. So you can either use a conditioner or an oil. I basically use an oil, which is olive oil. I use olive oil for everything. So all I do is have my hair in little sections, spritz, just to moisturize, because you don't want to prepoo on dry hair. What are you protecting? Dry hair? No. So you moisturize with your spritz and you seal with your oil or conditioner. So I'm just gonna spritz my hair and apply my olive oil, then slightly finger detangle, twist and put in bantu nuts. So that way the moisture stays in a little bit longer. Show you guys the process again. So first off, take a small section of your hair, spritz from roots to tips, apply olive oil and slightly finger detangle. Twist up hair and put in bantu nuts. That's it. That's easy. That's all I do.
I wanna see the light. See the light. I wanna see the light.
So guys, I don't know what happened to the camera and I didn't even notice it, but anyways, that's how much hair I shed, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cover my hair with 2 plastic caps, then follow up my bonnets, and I'm gonna go to sleep. And also, if you're interested, my next video is me braiding my hair. If you want to see that, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you next time. Bye. Peace out.